Welcome to your Thursday, October 21st edition of your Soul Sister channel Astrology Forecast. My name is Kat, and we are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness and negativity just flowing out of our bodies. And in its place, we see our bodies being filled by this beautiful white light, made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It fills our entire body, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble we see deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say, for the last time, our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We'll say the affirmation and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Great work, great work. And as we bid adieu to the Sun in Libra affirmation, I hinted on Sunday that our Sun in Scorpio affirmation is going to incorporate everything that we have gleaned from our earlier affirmations this year. So, more to be revealed and discovered about ourselves. It just keeps coming. Well, today the moon is still in Aries. So how did it go yesterday for us? Because we get a repeat today. Yes, and even more so of a repeat today. We have Mars in Libra square Pluto in Capricorn today. And, yesterday I talked about setting healthy boundaries. Today we have to make sure that we don't compromise ourselves or our purpose in working with a project, a relationship, in working with a strategy or proposal. Let's take for an example, there's going to be a lot of cognitive dissonance today from those around us. I love that combination. There's going to be a lot of second guessing. Maybe that's not the best idea. And now back to the example with the relationship. You've asked someone to take it to the next step, maybe ask someone for a committed relationship or something like that, and they're like, ooh, what did I say? I'm giving up all my freedom to play the field with all these dates. I'm thinking to myself, it doesn't matter that I haven't had any dates, but I could, is this the best decision for me? So there is going to be those kind of kickbacks today. We're not going to worry about it. We're not going to use those negative aspects of the moon in Aries by coming from fear or being insistent or aggressive. we still do have that sun in Libra for today. So we certainly can tap in to that diplomatic, tactful, charming part of ourselves as well. We can use those energies in setting healthy boundaries. We don't have to be a bitch. We don't. We can be. I have been. But you don't have to do it that way. Come from love, abundance, come from gratitude. Make sure we're coming from that space, while we protect our interests and our purpose. So watch out for that today. Just stay true to self. Keep those deep breaths in our back pocket. Keep them. We may need to pull them out just to oh my gosh. It's like, that Aryan energy. It's coming at us full tilt. I mean, we are being pummeled with people who want us to compromise ourselves. So be careful, be strong. Tomorrow we're going to start working on our spiritual warrior selves, but we can bring it out a day early. And just make sure we fortify ourselves with love, abundance, and gratitude, and then get into it and protect the castle. Okay. Yeah, it's a crazy Wednesday, yesterday and today, playing with this Aryan energy, because we really are bursting ready to go forward, and then we just keep getting pushback. But what's good about all of this is that we are conscious that that's what's going on, and we are also conscious that by Friday. No, not by Friday. Maybe by next week. By next week, the energies will shift and there will be more support. Even though we didn't score, some of us maybe scored on Tuesday or something. But even though we may not have scored, we're getting closer to that goal, baby. We are making some progress. So don't forget that. Oh, this is so pretty. Butterfly spirit, transformation. Oh, you can feel it, right? As we fight for our true selves, as we hold true, the more we do it, it's like the more we come out of the cocoon and we spread our wings and we're feeling more confident and enthusiastic about who we are. Purification. And one more. Flexibility, willow spirit. Okay. So we talked about transformation. We're coming into our true selves. We're holding true. We're not compromising. We're not compromising. We are releasing anything or anyone who doesn't support us, our true authentic self, who does not support our growth. We're releasing. We are becoming more aligned with our true selves. And as we do this, best place is through our quiet centering and our meditation. The more pure we become, the more I want to say it as a pure conduit. There's that word again. I always have problems with it. A pure conduit for spirit to work through us. The more aligned we are with ourselves and our purpose and our relationship with our higher self, the more pure we become, allowing that spiritual energy to manifest exactly how we want it to. And then flexibility, well, you can kind of feel it today. I'm not going to say flexibility as far as compromising ourselves, But if we get some input today that is helpful, we can be flexible and include that. Back to that relationship today. Back to that relationship where that person that we asked for a committed relationship. They're like, and we're like, we're not going to fall back on, oh my God, it's over. Oh, they're not sure and they don't trust me. Oh my God, please get over it. That is not what's going on. It has nothing to do with us. It has to do with them. So knowing that, we are just going to we're going to use that Libra energy again one more time. Diplomatic, charming, and tact, and patience. They'll come around once we get through this week and we remain consistent and engaged with them. They'll come around. Don't worry about it. So have a great Thursday. Hang in there. Keep that armor of love, abundance, and gratitude on us to help us repel anyone who's trying to compromise us or our purpose. It's gonna be a battle today. We have to have our spiritual warrior armor on. That does include those deep cleansing breaths if we need it. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Make it a great Thursday. Hang in there and don't give up the castle. Namaste.